In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook using Google Docs and Canva. We'll start by drafting the entire ebook in Google Docs. This keeps your text organized and makes editing fast and stress-free. Type out all chapters, introductions, and conclusions here first. Use the built-in spell check and grammar tools as you go so you catch errors early. To make the structure clear, format your chapter titles with heading 1 and your subsections with heading 2. This isn't just for looks, it helps you see the outline at a glance, keeps the flow consistent, and makes transferring content easier later. As you write, add simple placeholders for images and layout notes, like insert chart here or full width image, so you know exactly what goes where when you move into design. Once your draft is solid, head over to Canva and search for ebook templates. Browse until you find a style that matches your theme and audience, then open the template. Add the pages you need, such as a striking cover, a clean table of contents, and consistent chapter pages. Customize the fonts, colors, and imagery to reflect your branding. This is where your ebook starts to feel polished. You can drag and drop images, illustrations, and icons from Canva's library, or upload your own visuals if you already have them prepared. Now transfer your content. Copy text from your Google Doc and paste it into the text boxes in your Canva design. Work page by page so everything lands in the right place. Adjust text size, line spacing, and alignment to keep each page readable and visually balanced. Aim for clear, concise paragraphs and use bold text to highlight headings. Key terms, or important takeaways. Consistency is key. Stick to 1 or 2 font sizes for body text, and make sure your headings stand out without overwhelming the page. When you've placed everything, take time to review. Flip through the entire ebook to check the layout. Make sure images align properly, and confirm that headings, spacing, and margins are consistent. Look out for small formatting errors and ensure all pages are in the correct order, including your cover and table of contents. When you are happy with the design, click Share in the top right. Then choose Download. Select PDF print as the file type to get the highest quality version of your ebook. Save it to your computer, and you are ready to publish, share, or sell. That's it, your ebook is complete. Thanks for watching.